Hello everybody! Alright, so today I am going to be doing a Graze unboxing / taste test. Comes in a little box like this. And this particular box usually costs $6.99, but if you go to mysubscriptionaddiction.com, they give you a coupon code where you can get your first box absolutely free. And basically what Graze is it's like healthy snacks, and you can get it either once a week or once every 2 weeks for $6.99. So it would come to about $24 a month. So not too bad. So I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. I've never had one of these, like I said. But I'm excited. These are Stars and Stripes. And they are only 130 calories. Mini black currant stars, raspberry strings, and blueberry flavored cranberries. And it's kind of hard to even see. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just, I don't know, it kind of looks like gummy candies. So we'll have to try those. And then the next thing is Dark Rocky Road Granola Yogurt Topper. I don't know if I'd eat this on top of yogurt. I love granola, but I'm not a fan of it with yogurt, so. But I will still try it. So it's just kind of like that. And these are barbecue peas. Interesting. I'm going to try them. Give them a try. Don't knock till you try it. And then this is just like a nut blend, Brazil, cashew, and pistachio. And there we go. And pretty much all of the calories, all of the snacks that come in these boxes are under 300 calories. I think in this one, the most is the nuts, and it's only 240, so that's pretty good. And then it just gives you a little sheet with the nutrition information. And then on the bottom here, it has these little things on here. And they have little codes, and you can get your first and your fifth boxes free from me. So if you would like one of these, let me know, and you might get a code for your first and fifth box free. So yeah, if you would like one of these, just let me know in the comments below. First 4 to comment will get a code. I will send you a code. And yeah, thank you. I don't know why I said thank you. The box is really pretty on the inside. I just gotta show you the box before I get to tasting it. That's pretty. It's like a peachy scene. I don't know if I'll get this again. It depends on how the snacks taste. Me and my mom are trying to eat healthier, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna like things. Okay, the first thing I'm trying is the Stars and Stripes. Right. Oh. And it smells like fruit, like raisins. Okay, I'll try Black Star. It tastes just like a raisin, except more chewy. I'm gonna try one of these little things. These are supposed to be raspberry flavored. It tastes like those straw things, like those sour straws you get at the movies and stuff, but like without the sugary coating. So I kind of like it. Then these blueberry flavored cranberries. To me, it just tastes like a raisin. So, I don't know. Nothing too special. Like, if you like raisins, you'll probably like this. I like raisins, so works for me. Then I'm going to try the Dark Rocky Road Granola Yogurt Topper. Okay. Oh, and there's like little sour cherries in here. We'll just get a little piece of the chocolate and a little piece of granola and just try it all together. And a piece of cherry. That's really good. Oh, damn. Like, if you have a sweet tooth, this is like perfect. And the cherry pieces, that was really damn good. I would definitely recommend this. Oh, loving it. Okay, moving on. On here, the barbecue peas. I'm kind of nervous about these. I don't know how they're gonna be. I have a feeling they're gonna be like, I feel like they're either gonna be really good or like nasty. I don't understand how they're peas. They're a good barbecue flavor. I think it's just because I had a little chocolate in my mouth that it tasted a little weird. I actually think it was pretty good. Chocolate from that granola thing, but if you like peanuts, you'd probably like these. It has a similar taste and consistency of a peanut. And the barbecue flavor is not too bad. And then I have the nuts. I've never tried any of these kinds of nuts, so I know the pistachios are the green one, and I believe this is a Brazil, this huge thing, and this is a cashew. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna try the cashew. Oh, it's like really plain, like there's nothing on it, no salt, no nothing. Blah, blah, blah. But oh my gosh, it's so gross, so gross, so gross. Sorry for my nastiness, but like, if you like just like plain dry nuts, there's nothing. They're just plain nuts with no salt. No. I'm not even gonna try the rest. I like peanuts, but there was like no salt, so it was like, oh, nasty. Well, that was it for this video. I will see you guys next time. I will leave a link to the Graze box down below. And yeah, if you would like one of those coupons that gives you your first and your 5th box free, let me know down in the comments, and I will let me know your email down in the comments, and I will send you the code to get your 1st and 5th box free. Alright guys, bye. Thanks for watching.